Well, everyone, you might be in a random situation where for some reason iOS 26.4 is just not installing. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about is to, number one, make sure you have enough storage saved on your device. This is typically the number one reason why this update doesn't really install. So just go through, make sure you're not running into any sort of like storage issues or anything related to that. That is basically the first part I'd recommend thinking about. Now, number two, another very important part of this puzzle as well is to make sure that there isn't any Wi-Fi or cellular service issues going on with your device either. That can also be another really, really big problem that you might be running into as well. And that's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So go through and just make sure that that isn't an issue. On top of that, another important thing you're going to want to do here as well is to just go through and make sure that if there's any sort of other like iOS related issues, you might want to address those first. So go through, restart your iPhone, go through and try seeing if there's any issues like that, because sometimes that could be the issue, and that's another thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So in terms of that, those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.